Here's a mask tutorial for the two of you who asked for it. I start out just kind of tracing where I want the snout to be. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a guideline. You can do this with really any material. For my main mask I used foam, but for this one I'm using cardboard. You're gonna draw a mildly snout-like shape, kind of like what I'm doing. I'm not gonna record it, but then you cut it out. After you cut it, you're gonna kind of bend it over to round the snout out. And then you're going to trace it and repeat the whole process a second time. Once you have both pieces, like I said before, just make sure they're nice and rounded. Cross the tips of your cutouts to form the upper lip, and then glue those together. Curve the sides of the snout to get a better idea of how it will fit onto the mask. I forgot to record me gluing it on. At this point, I also like to try the mask on to make sure I like how it looks on my face. Now you're going to get a piece of cardboard and make it a little bit longer than the top of your snout is. And then you're just going to cut out a wide rectangle. I recommend cutting a little bit above where you put your marking line. Now you're going to make an arrow shape at the top of the cardboard. Put over the snout, make sure you like how it looks before you move on or glue it down or anything. Once you like it, just go ahead and hot glue it and put it on the face. Once again, I like to try it on just to make sure it looks nice. Now for the ears. You're going to put your mask down and trace out what you want your ear shape to look like. Once you like the outer ear, put the mask back where you want it, and then trace out the mask's ear. And now you just cut it out. Without glue, put the ear on the mask to make sure you like how it looks. If you like how your ear looks, trace it out and repeat that process again. One at a time, you're going to trace your ear with hot glue, and then you're going to slowly put the cardboard ear on top of the mask ear. Then obviously you're going to do that for the other side. Once again, make sure it looks good and you're happy with how everything turned out. I tried recording my felting, but could not, unfortunately. I do recommend starting from the snout, though. Here's the fully felted snout. Now you just gotta do the mask. Here it is completely felted. After this, you just gotta decorate. I can't really explain how I did the decoration since I do that different every time, but I do recommend doing the fur on the outside, and I made the nose out of clay foam.